Hi, good afternoon. I'm Marty. Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be going over problems in Wayne Winston's Microsoft Excel 2019 Data Analysis and Business Modeling. We will work through Problem 5 in Chapter 1. In today's video, we're going to model a real-life ecology problem in Excel, the fish population problem. We'll explore how births, deaths, and harvesting interact to keep a lake's fish population stable. Here's the setup. A lake starts with 12,230 fish. Each year, every fish gives birth to 1.2 new fish and 0.7 fish die for every one that's alive. We also remove a certain number of fish every year through harvesting. Our goal? Figure out how many fish we can harvest each year without changing the total population over time. So let's look at Excel and set up our input sections. In cell C2 through C5, we'll have the birth rate, the death rate, the max harvested, and the starting fish. This means that if we harvest 6,115 fish per year, we'll test whether the population stays constant. Next, we'll plug in the formulas to make the test. Okay, so C9, we need to do starting fish. For births, all we do is take C9 times the birth rate in C2, make C2 absolute, hit enter. For deaths, we're taking C9 times the death rate in C3, make that absolute, enter. For harvested, we take the min or the minimum of C9 and C4. Make that absolute, hit enter. And for the calculation, we're taking start fish plus births minus deaths minus harvested for end fish. So we'll do that next. So that equals C9 plus D9 minus E9 and minus F9. Hit enter. For period 2, we start with the end fish in period 1. And then we can hit this, drop and drag, make sure we drop this over here too, and voila, we're done with that part. And if you look, you'll notice something interesting. With a harvest of 6,115, the number of fish at the end of each year stays the same at 12,230. Pretty interesting. And that is our equilibrium point. The lake stays perfectly balanced. If we were to harvest more than 6,115, the population declines every year until the lake runs out of fish. If we harvest less, the fish population grows exponentially. So this model shows how ecosystems can reach a stable equilibrium and how delicate the balance is. So let's recap. We modeled a fish population with births, deaths, and harvesting. We found that harvesting 6,115 fish per year keeps the lake population constant. This Excel model is a great example of how math and data can explain complex real-world situations, like sustainability and resource management. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more Excel modeling videos, and comment below with what model you'd like to see next. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time.